everyone. Today I'm sharing real English sentences used in daily work life in Europe. If you want to speak naturally and confidently, this video is for you. Lesson 3. Let's get started. Every morning gives me a new chance to grow. I try to start my day with gratitude. I feel thankful for the job I have. I know many people dream of opportunities like this. That's why I never take my work for granted. I set small goals for myself every day. Small progress adds up to big success. I remind myself to stay focused. I prepare my things before I leave home. I check if anything important is missing. I walk calmly towards the bus stop. Sometimes I see the same workers every day. We don't talk, but we smile. That small smile feels nice. The bus arrives, and I get in carefully. I choose a quiet place to sit. I like taking a few minutes to relax. I think about how to make my day productive. Planning helps me stay organized. I reach my workplace and feel ready to start. I greet the security guard politely. Respecting everyone is important to me. I enter the building and check my shift details. I take a deep breath before beginning. A fresh mind makes work easier. I meet my team with a friendly attitude. A positive environment starts from us. I start my tasks step by step. I try to follow all instructions properly. I keep my focus sharp. I avoid distractions while working. Staying focused makes me faster. I keep my tools clean and ready. Good preparation improves quality. I check my tasks list regularly. Completing tasks one by one feels good. I don't rush. I work calmly.com. Work gives better results. When I feel confused, I ask for help. Asking doesn't make me weak. It makes me smarter. I like learning new techniques at work. New skills help me grow professionally. I listen carefully when someone teaches me. Learning from others saves time. I work with a lot of different people. Everyone has a unique style. I respect everyone's working method. Respect creates harmony. I stay friendly even during busy hours. People enjoy working with friendly coworkers. I stay patient when things get tough. Patience helps me avoid mistakes. I take short breaks to refresh my mind. A fresh mind is more productive. Sometimes I feel stressed, but I handle it. Stress is normal, but I don't let it control me. I drink water and take deep breaths. It makes me feel better instantly. I return to work with positive energy. I restart my tasks with full dedication. I support my coworkers when they need help. Helping others builds strong teamwork. I believe teamwork makes everything smoother. I like seeing my team succeed. We all work towards the same goal. I appreciate others when they do well. Appreciation spreads positivity. I stay humble at work. Humility makes me more approachable. I avoid unnecessary arguments. I focus on solutions, not problems. A good attitude solves many issues. I try to understand before reacting. Understanding builds trust. I practice good communication. Clear communication prevents mistakes. I share my ideas politely. My opinion also matters. I listen when others speak. Listening shows respect. I always try to be reliable. Reliability is important in any job. People trust you when you are consistent. I make sure my work is accurate. Accuracy brings better results. I try to finish tasks on time. Punctuality is a sign of responsibility. I double-check everything before completing. I care about the quality of my work. Good work speaks for itself. At the end of the day, I feel proud. I feel happy when I complete everything properly. I clean my workspace before leaving. A clean area helps the next shift. I inform my supervisor that I'm done. Communication keeps everything clear. I thank my coworkers for their support. A kind word makes everyone feel good. I leave the workplace with a peaceful mind. I remind myself that every day is progress.